right, guys, happy Wednesday. Big virtual hugs to all of you. Just a big week all around. So we're just gonna dig into it. How to layer. And how do you layer? You just first start off with an amazing layering piece like this Michael Stars. This is the Marcy tie-dye tunic. I actually really love this guy. Number one, it comes in 3 colors. But what I love about it is the perfect length to either like be a true tunic. It's not too long, so it like has a little baseball hem, so it keeps your legs looking longer. Or if you wanted to tuck it into jeans, it's thin enough and not too long that you could tuck it into jeans and it'd be totally fine as a top. But when you guys are layering, the first thing you're gonna do is start with just an easy basic layer. Okay, it's getting cold. I'm wearing the Spanx leggings. You forget how tough they're actually to put on, but then you feel so good once they're in. And then have it paired with my favorite boots, the Izzy Hiker by Mark Fisher. So fun, so cute. And I am taking this new BB Dakota cardigan, you guys. This is a layer. What's the stitch cardigan? This is kind of like that Barefoot Dreams that's super cozy. Just throwing it on over top. Style tip on this tunic, you guys, this turtleneck tunic. Number one, and I always hold my hands in there so it's like it doesn't get caught in the cardi. I'm not folding this under. I'm just leaving it undone and letting it fall, kind of tucking my hair in there too, because number one, my hair's a hot mess getting a cut this week. Thank God. Okay, so layer option number one, because it's getting cold here. So it would have been a great trick-or-treating option because it was windy. So one, you have it kind of just like this. I probably would roll the sleeves up a little bit, let a little of that sleeve showing in. It just makes your arms look a little bit longer, gives a nice balance to the look. Okay, easy done. But option number 2 for this layer, taking the Hero jacket, you guys. This is the Anorak Hero jacket, so lightweight. I want to show you guys how amazing it is to add up into it. I didn't even know what I'm talking about. It packs into this super cute pack. Okay, so I don't know about you guys if you've been in that situation where you're like, oh my gosh, is it okay that my jacket's shorter than my cardigan? Yes, it just adds a little bit more, what's the vibe I'm looking for? But I'm like, it just adds like, it's like a cool extra layer. So then I'm leaving this kind of open, not getting stuck over the boobs. Always just kind of leaving it on the outside and breaking it. Throw the puff over the top, and you're ready to hit cold weather. So easy. Okay, check this out too, you guys. That jacket fits into this amazing little bag. If you have to travel, I'm traveling here in the next 2 months, like easy does it, because packing a winter jacket is no joke. But giving you guys permission, you can do a cardigan under a short jacket. I love that the color palette's all the same, so it doesn't feel like super crazy, it feels intentional, but layering, option 1. Okay, layer number 2. Again, starting with a really great basic. Obsessed with this new little Peyton Jensen top. Look at the little puff sleeve on it, under $60. Cute snake print, so thin. I'm wearing a medium because I wanted to fit a little bit more snug, and I kind of wanted to show you guys like how actually style it. So I tuck a lot of stuff in, and I do it just because it makes the legs a little bit, they look longer. So, I mean, cute, just feels like, oh, it could be better. Wearing these little Citizens Charlotte high rise, tucking this guy in, and you guys can even do a half tuck. I'm just tucking it in all the way because I don't have to fuss with all that extra stuff. But I just love how it creates a waist for me, and it doesn't make me look like super long and disproportional. Have it paired with these new black boots. Okay, so these are a little bit of a higher shafted boot. So I just tucked the jeans over the top of it, not mad at it, kind of digging it, makes the legs look longer. You could do a little cuff, so it kind of sits on top of it too, and it just gives the boot a little bit more, you know, option to shine. I think it's kind of fun. I don't know. I'm lost for words today. I can't find the words. Okay, and then the layer you need for date night. I've been dying to get this sucker on. This new Peyton Jensen. It's the Bancroft Sherpa Moto jacket. Heidi tried on in her stories. Okay, very chic date night vibes. If your arm doesn't get stuck in the sleeve, could just throw it over the shoulder. You're sitting at, you know, whatever that looks like for you, being safe and socially distant, just like, hey lover. Okay, but, oh God, this sucker is cozy. When you actually have to wait for your car, or maybe you're sitting outside because, you know, 2020 for your dinner. How chic is this little jacket? Cozy, love the little Sherpa, got your little turtleneck, mock turtleneck, let the sleeve poke out. Date night. I don't know what, dang it, I need this outfit. Layer number 2. Okay, I just watched my last video to make sure number one, it recorded with sound, but like how many times do I hike up my pants? All the time. Does anybody else do that? I hike up my pants all of the time because, you know, sturdy girl legs. You gotta get over the thigh. Okay, look number 3, layer number 3. Super simple outfit. The Level 99 Trek pant wearing a medium. They feel so soft. Cute little P448, the little calf hair sneaker, and then obsessed with this Allison Joy short cardi. Just gave it a small little half tuck guy, just so you can see the little tie right there. Okay, but a different type of layering is what we're gonna talk about next. Okay, necklace layering. It's all about layering the jewelry this year. I'm here for it. I'm so excited for it. I feel like sometimes I over accessorize all the things, but I'll give you guys a little how-to. So number 1, you can either start with one necklace. That's like a 3-for-1. So this guy's connected, all the pieces, already gives you the layer look without having to do anything. Don't need to worry about necklace tangling. But if you want to kind of add it on, you can start with this. I love like a solid pendant, or you can do like a triple layer chain. I would grab a really strong chain or the paperclip necklace. This guy's the Paige chain necklace. So if the pendant is down below, step 2, throwing on this chain, making that kind of the mid guy, you know, thinking about the layers. So this is layer 2, going a little bit higher. And the finishing touch, grab your initial necklaces, you guys. These are our best sellers, grabbing that A. I love this new version of the initial necklaces. Okay, PS too, so many great stuff. Holiday, if you guys have already started, it's like November. What the heck happened? Literally started my Christmas list for all the people. This is such a great gift. And maybe it's to yourself, or maybe it's to like a bestie. I mean, it's been a year, so treat everybody to a little something. And then you throw your little initial necklace over the top, kind of bring it in there. I like it when it kind of all meshes together. And done. You have your little layers set to go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, look number 3, layer number 3. You guys, I'm gonna see you next week. I hope you have a great rest of the week, and yeah, have a great day.